Our undergraduate business management HRM degree taught at our Marylebone campus will prepare you to become a confident, people-focused professional ready to make an impact from day one. The course combines core business management with specialist HR knowledge, giving you the skills to build positive working cultures and respond creatively to real organisational challenges. You'll coach fellow students and gain hands-on experience with applying HR, from psychometric testing to being an executive coach to understanding employee engagement, motivation and applying employment law. You'll also partake in a HR business clinic where you'll be giving HR consultancy and advice to real-life organisations and have an opportunity to go on impressive site visits across London. The degree also offers the option to take a placement or study abroad year between your second and third year, and you'll benefit from support through Zone 29, our home of careers and enterprise. Graduates have gone on to work for leading employers including Ernst & Young, Metropolitan Police, H&M and Hilton Hotels.